Throughout the years, construction and building has brought to life the ideas and drawings from paper, which stand tall for a lifetime. Often considered as one's vision of perception, building is a creative act where natural elements are molded into architectural marvels that inspire and reflect who we are as a society. A good building is a result of good materials, which determine its foundation. Hepworth is the region's premier manufacturer and supplier of plastic piping solutions. Hepworth is part of Green Coast Enterprises group of companies, with a history of more than 40 years in the United Arab Emirates. Hepworth offers expertise in manufacturing and the marketing of plastic pipes, fittings, geomembranes, and related products manufactured in the UAE, Oman, and in Qatar. Hepworth has been manufacturing and marketing integrated piping systems to the civil and building construction sectors since 1977. With subsidiaries in the UAE, Oman, and in Qatar, it trades through operating companies in Bahrain and Saudi Arabia, and exports throughout the MENA region and beyond. Access to safe, secure, and sufficient fresh water is vital for our world to survive. At Hepworth, we develop innovative and technical piping systems for the treatment and distribution of water, as well as the safe transport of industrial fluids and gases. From buildings to utilities and infrastructure, irrigation and agriculture to industries and water treatment and on-site services, we allow individual solutions for a large range of demanding applications and processes in a wide variety of sectors. So what's new at Hepworth? Technicore, multi-layer PVC piping system, is our latest technological offering, which provides better performance and keeps our environment safe. Our advantage: faster installation, 16% less CO2, and better mechanical properties. Hepworth's quality management system is certified in accordance with ISO 9001-2008. In the UAE, the company also holds many international certifications. Over the past years, Hepworth has forged strong partnerships with local and international companies to position itself as a one-stop shop piping solutions provider. Quality is a representation of a wise choice, a result of notable purpose, genuine efforts, quick-witted guidance, and skillful execution. At Hepworth, we are passionate, committed, and aspire to live by our core values every day. Our promise: to deliver high standards of services and constantly work to learn and become better. Because for us, nothing else matters except you. Hepworth, adding value through quality product.